to set up Google Authenticator for Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on three lines on top right. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then you'll find Settings. Click on Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Account Center. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Password and Security, which is below Account Settings. Then go to Two-Factor Authentication, which is below Change Password. Then select your Facebook account. After that, simply add your password. Add code from mail, then simply select Authentication app and then press on Next. You'll find this code pop up. Simply add this code in here by clicking on Add a Code and then type in code. After you click on Enter a setup key, add Facebook and then your key that you copied earlier. After that, simply press on Add and then the code will be given in the app. Simply copy paste it in here on Facebook and you're good to go. This is how to set up Google Authenticator for Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.